ensi ya Kenya William RUTO hamo numurai wense ya France Emmanuel MACRON NIGO BACHAKIA sinchira ya bene EGEIKARO kia matukabire kila chikwene kiwase nyumba ya KICC abo hasibanyara ko babago kwandra emirobirio yo Kobwaterana yechinse chiga igati yechinse chiga birase chi sector au okona chinga kecho ni gabara yabe gababere baene kire buna NIGO barache Kobwaterana kwene kia buna orongo rwa Africa abo sensi ya Kenya ro mubwata ndo chikwegendria na boigo ensi ya France yoro mubwata ni huwa mubwechinse cha Europe chichikwegendria senchirengia.
The whole ecosystem around education. In Kenya, we have had to review the education system and to make it competence-based. Also investing in digital infrastructure, fiber optic. They've just said we are manufacturing now here in Kenya a lot of digital assets, whether it is phones, whether it is computers, and all that digital infrastructure.
This challenge of building infrastructure is exactly the same in Europe. Computing capacities. Okay, if we want to make infrastructure, let's invest together. We have to build much more energy facilities, renewables, nuclear, in order to deploy electrification. And this is exactly what we want to do through the continent. How to educate and train more and more talents to make sure that they will be trained here in the best education system, the best partnership, and they will stay and help the country to develop and help the continent to develop.